This is a Genie Pro screwdriver, and the sensors are fine, nothing is blinking. You can see hopefully the red lid, and over there the green one. And still, look how the door acts without the pressure of the door. How does the traveler moves? I tried to change the circuit board, yet the one that I replaced wasn't new, so I can be sure if it's, everything shows that it has to be the circuit board, but this is how the door acts anyway, and this is the first time I see anything like that. Well, maybe I saw before something pretty similar, but not exactly the same. Here again, look what happens with the travelers. There's no pattern that repeats itself, just acting funny.